I did not expect this tablet to replace my laptop. When I started testing the Lenovo IdeaPad Pro Gen 2, I packed both devices in my backpack because I was sure I would need my laptop at some point. However, after almost a week, I realized something strange. My laptop had stayed inside my bag almost the entire time, while this tablet handled nearly everything I needed to do. I thought I had finally found a tablet that could replace a laptop. Then, one simple task changed my mind. That task completely changed my opinion about this tablet, and by the end of this video, I'll explain exactly what happened. More importantly, you'll know whether the Lenovo IdeaPad Pro Gen 2 can replace your laptop, or if it's simply another Android tablet with impressive specifications. Before we talk about the hardware, we need to understand why this tablet is so important. For years, the tablet market was easy to understand. If you wanted the best tablet and had enough money, you bought an iPad. If you wanted the best Android tablet, Samsung was usually the safest choice. Lenovo made good tablets, but the company was mainly known for offering lower prices instead of premium products. That started changing last year. The first Lenovo IdeaPad Pro became one of the best value Android tablets because it focused on what most people actually do every day instead of trying to beat expensive flagship tablets. It offered a large display, good performance, useful accessories, and a reasonable price. Many people realized they did not need to spend hundreds of dollars more just to browse the web, watch videos, study, or write documents. Now, Lenovo has introduced the second generation, and this time, the company is aiming much higher. The IdeaPad Pro Gen 2 upgrades almost everything that mattered on the previous model. It now uses the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 processor, a much faster chip than the MediaTek processor in last year's model. Lenovo also increased the display size to 13 inches, upgraded the resolution to 3.5K, added a smooth 144Hz refresh rate, and included Wi-Fi 7. These are features that normally belong to much more expensive tablets.
That also changes who this tablet competes against. The Lenovo IdeaTab Pro Gen 2 is no longer competing with basic Android tablets. It now sits in the same conversation as the iPad Air, Samsung's Galaxy Tab FE series, and the OnePlus Pad 3. Those are strong competitors, so Lenovo had to do much more than improve the specifications. The first thing I noticed was the display. The larger 13-inch screen changes the experience much more than I expected. Reading documents feels more comfortable because there is more space on the screen. Split-screen multitasking finally feels practical because both apps have enough room to work properly. Watching movies and YouTube videos is also much more enjoyable because everything feels bigger and more immersive. The display is also sharp and smooth. Text looks crisp, scrolling feels responsive, and the higher refresh rate makes the entire tablet feel faster, even during simple tasks like browsing websites or reading articles. Performance was another pleasant surprise. I think many reviewers spend too much time talking about benchmark scores. Most people do not buy a tablet because it scores higher in a benchmark app. They buy a tablet because they want it to feel fast during everyday use. That is exactly where this tablet performs well. Applications opened quickly, multitasking stayed smooth, and switching between several apps never became frustrating. I wrote scripts, replied to emails, researched products in Chrome, watched YouTube while taking notes, joined meetings, and edited documents without thinking about the processor once. That is actually a compliment. The best processors disappear into the background because they never interrupt your work. Then something unexpected happened. Instead of reaching for my laptop every morning, I automatically picked up this tablet. It was lighter. It turned on instantly. The battery easily lasted through my workday. Everything I normally do worked well enough that I stopped asking myself where my laptop was. That made me realize something important.
Modern laptops have become incredibly powerful, but most people no longer use all that power. A huge part of modern work now happens inside a web browser. We answer emails, write documents, join online meetings, manage cloud files, and watch videos. These tasks no longer require an expensive laptop. That is exactly why tablets have become much more useful over the last few years. The IdeaTab Pro Gen 2 feels like a product that understands this shift. However, no product is perfect. The biggest weakness is not the hardware, it is the software support. Apple and Samsung now support their tablets for many more years with major operating system updates. Lenovo has improved, but it still promises fewer Android version upgrades than its biggest competitors. If you plan to keep your tablet for 5 or 6 years, that is something you should seriously consider. Now, let me tell you about the moment that finally made me open my laptop. I needed to work with several browser windows, multiple documents, and desktop-style tools at the same time. The tablet completed the work, but it required more effort. File management was slower, some websites worked better on a desktop browser, and a few keyboard shortcuts that I use every day simply weren't available. That was the moment I reached for my laptop. Interestingly, the tablet had not failed. Instead, it reminded me that replacing a laptop does not mean replacing every professional desktop task. It means replacing the tasks that most people actually perform every day. For me, that's what makes the Lenovo IdeaTab Pro Gen 2 so interesting. It did not replace my laptop because it is more powerful than a laptop. It replaced my laptop because it made me realize how little I actually needed my laptop during a normal day. If you edit professional videos, write software, create 3D models, or depend on desktop applications, you should still buy a laptop. However, if your day mostly consists of browsing the web, writing documents, studying, watching videos, answering emails, and joining online meetings, this tablet can comfortably handle almost everything you need. That's why I think the Lenovo IdeaTab Pro Gen 2 is one of the most interesting Android tablets Lenovo has ever made. It is not trying to be an iPad Pro killer. It is not trying to replace powerful workstation laptops. Instead, it quietly asks a much smarter question. If this tablet can already do almost everything you need every day, do you really need to spend much more money on something else?